Hi all, this is Nirmal from Mindfire Solutions India. Today I'm going to demonstrate how the flyout control works in WinJS. I'm going to open the Visual Studio and to hit new project. I'm going to choose the blank app template, trying to name it as my fly demo. Let's make it my flyout demo. Hit OK. Visual Studio is creating the project for us. We got the blank template here and we landed in default.js, but before working on default.js, let's move to default.html, which is the view page for us. Now we're going to edit something. So the demo we are going to design now will have a button, and on click of that button we will display a flyout which will contain a custom template such as a label, a text box to enter a name, and a button. On click of the button we are going to say hello to the name that has been typed in the text box. So first let's create a button. Instead of name we'll use id btn so flyout, and value, which is the caption, we'll say so flyout. Okay, so we are done with the button. Now let's design the flyout here. We'll create a div, we'll add a id, and we'll rename as div flyout, and we'll add a data win control to it. The data win control is the WinJS.ui flyout. So this property identifies this div as a WinJS control. So on during the rendering process on the screen, WinJS makes a rendering basing upon this particular property. So since this is a div and we can add custom templates to here, so we can add let's add a label first, just to so static text. We'll say enter your name. We'll close the label. We'll say it's txt name, and this is the text, and here we'll add input type would be text. Instead of name we'll use id txt name. This will be same as this for, so that this will be in sync. The label will appear very adjacent to this text. Let the value to be blank. Press enter, and we will create a button just below to it. We'll say button, and then the id we'll say btn say hello. The value should be say hello. Okay, up to now we are done with a flyout, template designing, and a button. Now let's move to the JS part a bit. We'll add the code for the same. We'll add the code on app.onReady event of the particular of the application object. Okay, no more. Okay, so here I'm going to get the button. We'll see what we have named this button. We have named this as btn so flyout. I'm going to get this from the DOM element, get element by id. Okay, so we got it. Then we'll add a event listener to the same. And a function. This is a callback function. Now we have added the click event to the button. Now the other part of the story that we need to begin with is we need to display the div, which is a flyout. So let's get that div from the DOM element as well. We will get that div here. I have just named the variable little different just to avoid confusions. No, sorry. We don't need a event listener here. We need a get document element by ID. And here, since that's a control, we'll add a we'll get the win control here, and we'll add the so method. Okay, so method minimum takes minimal takes one argument. It's an anchor tag. So here we're going to add, so this is what the add minimum argument. Now we can hit the button to show this flyout. Let's try this demo. The option has been chosen as local machine. So as soon as I hit the run button, it tries to deploy the same in the local machine. Now here we got the button here. Now we can show the flyout. We have the label here, we have the text box here, and we have the button here. We can control the position of the flyout itself. Let's move to our source. We can add parameters to the same. We can say here into top and right corner. Okay, so we have added that. As soon as we hit the button, see the flyout appears just top right corner. Now the other part of our objective is to display a message. So in order to do that, we can add a span quickly. Here we can say we can add a ID just to get identify the same. We say span meshes. So we need a button must, so that in fact we have the button, we need to add our event handler. We have this button say hello, and let's add this click event here, dot add event listener. I'm going to add the click event here with a callback function. Okay, and this, what we are trying to do is we will add the text to the span. Here's the span. Let's go here, add a bit, and we'll say inner HTML is equals to, okay, of course we need a text box. So what we are going to write here is we're going to say hello, and here we'll have txt name dot value. Let's ensure, yes, that's what it is. That's fine. Let's ensure, okay, maybe we can add a break here so that this will appear just below to the button. Let's hit the button to display the chance fly. Here it is. Let's write something. I'll say Mindfire, say hello. Okay, here we go. We can say the hello Mindfire message there. So this is how we can display a flyout on screen. On click of the button, we can show the flyout, we can control the position, and we can also handle the buttons inside the flyout. We can customize the template of the flyout by controlling look and feel. We can add CSS and all. That's it for the demonstration. Thanks a lot.